Perfectly perched on the hillside of Millville, Utah, this beautiful 4-bedroom, 2.5 bathroom home is waiting for you. Step inside with me as we take a look at all of the features this home at 170 North, 250 East in Millville, Utah has to offer. Immediately upon entry, you're greeted by the open floor plan, ready to host large gatherings or keep it quaint with a quiet night in. This home flows easily to all parts of the home, from the living room to the dining space to the kitchen, the laundry room, and the bedrooms. Main floor features to pay attention to are things like the large flex room right by the front door. Use this as an office, a formal living or piano room, or add an armoire and use it for a 3rd bedroom on the main floor. Right off of the kitchen is a great pantry space, main floor laundry, and let's mention all of the closets and storage in this home. The rooms are each a good size, as well as the bathroom. Alrighty, let's head downstairs and check it out as well. Right at the bottom of the stairs, you'll find a bedroom and half bathroom. Notice how much light this room gets. And now, one of my favorite features, the 4th bedroom, which would also be looked at as the master bedroom because of the ensuite bathroom. Now, I know it's not traditional to have the master in the basement, but think about it. The lower level stays cooler and has ideal lighting for a better night's sleep. It's also quiet and tucked away, your own personal retreat. And check out that bathroom and master closet. They're spacious. The tub is oversized and jetted for those warm soaker baths at the end of a long day. In addition to the bedrooms, the basement also has a large family room which walks out to the garage and driveway. The best view is from the front porch, where you look across the entire valley over to the Wellsville Mountains. Just imagine the sunsets you'll enjoy on a warm summer's night from the front porch, or cozy inside on a cold winter night. Step out back onto the deck and patio. This space will greet you in the quiet mornings as the sun peeks over the mountains, or will welcome the gatherings for a summer's night barbecue. The kids will enjoy playing in the shade of the trees or welcome everyone around the fire pit. And come fall, be ready to pick those delicious apples from your very own apple tree. Can you see yourself living here in beautiful Millville, Utah? Don't take my word for it. Come and see for yourself. Schedule your private showing and start creating your own vision and plans for this space that you'll soon call home.